Übersharp, and today I'm going to do a little shaving test. Recently a friend of mine gave me a straight razors and said, hey, can you put an edge on these? And I said, yeah, no problem. But then I got to thinking, how do I know how sharp they are if I don't try them out on myself? So we're going to have a little shaving experiment. First of all, I'm not a professional barber, so give me a break. I'm going to shave real quick. I'm not going to be the smoothest, but we'll see how sharp those straight razors really are. Trusty towel, and first razor. Nice. I can't really see right there. Nice, that feels good. Second razor. Who invented the disposable razor? Anybody know? Class? It was Gillette. Back in the 1900s, 1906, I believe. Feels good. A little scary. Good. And the third razor. This razor is a little different. It's quite a bit more petite than these other razors. The spine's a lot narrower, smaller. I don't know, maybe it was did ladies use straight razors to shave their legs? Or it could have been a mustache razor. We'll try the mustache. Maybe not. I think we'll go with big boy. Big boy razor. I survived. I got a couple of nicks and a scratch, but that's operator error. If you want your straight edge razors, Übersharp, call 941-806-8321. Thanks for watching.